Hey, in this edition of Southern Crash Kings, I just got back from Bristol Motor Speedway. And this year, it wasn't the race that caught my attention, but the way Toyota treats their brand new trucks. Check it out. right, so what'd you think? Those Tundras in Tacoma, pretty tough, right? As they're going over those logs, hardly any movement with the frame, the body, suspension handling those bumps like it's nothing. Saw a little bit of movement in the front with the grill, but those parts are plastic. You know, that's to be expected. Now, on the monster truck side, it looks like they took just a factory Tundra, brand new, removed all the suspension components, installed a subframe to the existing frame, and then bolted an off-road monster truck axles and suspension and so forth. So that truck was pretty cool to see that in operation. It sounded like they opened up the exhaust a little bit, probably installed a little different muffler, but I gotta admit, even though that has a V6 in it, that twin turbocharged setup, it sounded pretty good. And that engine had no problem moving those big old tires when it was doing those donuts. So what's the point? Toyota spends millions of dollars to do this. And the reason? They want you to buy one. So, head down to your local dealer and see if one of these Toyotas will look good in your driveway. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.